Slama Ambugon, or peace be with you. Shubha Lamshiha Maran. Only when the diverse services or activities of the Nasraya Slihaik or Apostolic Eta or Church proclaim the risen Isham Shiha as both Maria, O Lord, and Allah, O Most Supreme, directly or indirectly, do they truly align with the risen Isham Shiha and his followers? Are our services in accordance with this? Welcome to Masliva Dera, which follows the Dera or ascetic lifestyle of the early Slihaik or Apostolic Eta or Church. Masliva Dera Code 8. Shubha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amukhon.